If you work in AutoCAD and you need to separate grouped objects back into individual elements, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it. Whether you grouped items by accident or you just need to edit one part of a group selection, ungrouping in AutoCAD is very simple once you know the command. This can save you time and make your drawing much easier to edit, especially when you're working with complex layouts, architectural plans, or detailed design files. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing that contains the grouped objects you want to separate. Once your file is open, take a moment to locate the group on the drawing area. You can zoom in if needed so you can clearly select the correct objects. This step is important because you want to make sure you are working on the right group before making any changes. Next, select the grouped objects. You'll notice that when the objects are grouped, they behave as one unit when clicked or moved. That means any edits you make will affect the entire group together. If that's what you want to change, selecting the group is the first step toward breaking it apart. Now, go to the command line and type ungroup. Then press enter on your keyboard. This is the main command you need to ungroup objects in AutoCAD. Once you run the command, AutoCAD will remove the grouping relationship and split the objects back into separate, independent items. After that, each object can be selected, moved, or edited individually. If the group has been successfully broken apart, you'll immediately notice the difference. Instead of acting like one combined object, the items will now behave separately. You can click on one element without selecting the entire group, which makes editing much easier and gives you more control over your drawing. If for some reason the objects still seem linked, double check that you selected the actual group set before running the command. In most cases though, typing ungroup is all it takes. This is one of those small AutoCAD commands that can make a big difference when you're managing your workflow. And that's it. You've now learned how to ungroup groups in AutoCAD. It only takes a few seconds, but it can really help when you need to modify parts of a drawing without affecting everything else. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, and let me know in the comments what AutoCAD feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.